Welcome back to Tech and Code Report with Aymal. Today I'm going to show you how to connect N8N workflows with WhatsApp Cloud API step by step. First, head over to developers.facebook.com. You will need a Facebook account to get started. Navigate to My Apps and click Create an App. Select the use case title, connect with customer through WhatsApp. Choose your business portfolio, give your app a name, and hit Create. Once your app is created, you will be taken to the API setup page. Here you will find your temporary access token, your phone number ID, and your business account ID. Keep these handy as we will need them for N8N later. You can also find a quick test message from here to make sure your number is working. Now let's open up N8N. Go ahead and import the workflow. You can find the link in description. Now this canvas includes a WhatsApp trigger, an AI agent node, and a reply block. Now open up the configuration for the WhatsApp node and we will create a new credential block. We will need the access token and the business account ID. Now we need to go to the API setup, copy the WhatsApp business ID and generate the access token. To generate the access token, you will need to verify your Facebook account again with Meta so they know you are authenticated. Now let's copy the WhatsApp business ID and the generate access token. Let's paste it here and you will get a successful connection. Let's click save and we got connection tested successfully. Now the next step is to connect our LLM. Now the next step is to open the OpenAI chat model node. Co Copy the API key from the OpenAI dashboard to generate a fresh API key, and let's paste this in our N8N to power our AI agent. You might get an error, but it's safe, just ignore it and continue. Now let's publish this workflow, and now what we need is we need to be able to receive a message and also a trigger. So now we need to copy the trigger URL from N8N, copy it in our callback URL under the configuration setting, pass any verify token 1234 or whatever suits you. Now after passing this, we will be able to trigger the WhatsApp message and also turn on this messages subscription so we receive message events. Now I will show you in the execution. First time when we add the callback URL, it verifies the token and you can see it in the webhook log. Now the next step is to receive message. So what we will do is we will send a test message to the register WhatsApp test phone number and check the N8N logs. Now remember you have to also add your test phone number and Meta will provide you with the outbound test phone number. So I send the message, hello, this is Aymal, and I should be able to receive the response back. As you can see the flow here based on the execution logs. Hello Aymal, great to meet you. How can I help you today? Now the webhook triggered flawlessly. The AI agent processed the request and sent an automated reply back. If you found this useful, hit the subscribe button and I will see you in the next one.